G'day everybody, it's Matt Dawn from Lawn Porn. Get your lawn on. Today's video is all about Rusty Inspirations, who make this Scott Bonner model. Beautiful little Scott Bonner replica. I really had a great time going down to Dylan's place and meeting his family, and yeah, he builds one up for us. And this is a perfect present for the kid who just wants to go mowing, but it's probably a little bit too young to be messing around with actual mowers. Stick around because Rusty Inspirations have got a great promo going for this, and you can actually win one. So stick around and find out how to enter to win one of these a bit later in the video. Let's get your lawn on.
Final piece. That's it. It's got a little bit of clearance there, so when you push on carpet or on the lawn, yeah, it just grabs enough and gets him turning. Should we show the people?
Yeah, we can. Look at that.
That's it, it's done. Paint it if you want, do whatever. Yeah.
Give it a thumbs up.
Bloody oath. Get your lawn on.
Now it's Daniel, was it?
Dylan.
Dylan. All right.
So you put that in there?
Yeah. I'll put the bloopers in, mate. Tell me, have you always been into lawn? What's the story there?
I think I always have been, yeah. Close to 500 square metres when I was a kid at home.
Yep.
Yeah, it was nothing special, but there was a lot of it. Yeah, then I found my first cylinder mower on Marketplace, and
that was down at Whyalla, yeah?
in Whyalla, yep.
Yeah,
yep. So we done a little day trip and picked up a model 45 Scott Bonner.
How long ago was that?
A bit over 5 years ago now.
5 years ago.
Yep, and yeah, I had no idea what I was getting myself into.
So the the toy model. Tell us about that.
Oh,
How did that start?
it's been in here for a good couple of years now. Yeah, I've built it about 100 times in my head.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's slowly evolved, and my wife's been on my back, you know, I've been talking about it. She said, you know, if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it. And yeah.
So is it like a side hustle for you?
Oh, it's, not really, no. I think it's just more the fun, I guess. Yeah, it's not, yeah.
You're sort of starting out in business.
Yeah, I guess so.
Do normal work, obviously.
Yep. I'm a builder by trade and yeah, truck driver these days, yeah. So drive road trains over the west at the moment, so yeah.
So you do this in your spare time?
Yeah, for sure, yep.
Okay,
Yep, with the kids and the family, and yeah.
Run us through some of the stuff here, for sure.
So, we've got our rear roller, obviously.
Yep.
You know, if someone wanted to get excited, I'm sure they could get a couple extra cats and make a double rear roller, make it more authentic.
Yeah.
This is the reel. Bit of work involved in that, so we decided it'd be better to assemble them here. And this part comes assembled. Yep. And rest kit, this comes assembled. Yep. What you see is what you'll get, pretty much. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You've got your fasteners and a few other small bits and bobs in here.
Yep.
It's your little height adjuster there.
Is it pretty intuitive?
Yeah, I think most people could do it quite easily, for sure, yeah.
So, you kind of inspired because the kids used to follow you mowing. You're telling me that story. Tell me about that.
I just wanted to get everyone involved, I guess, It's good fun, you know, like, I've come out in the yard and seen them pushing the 45 around and stuff, and thought, you know.
A bit big for them?
Yeah, for sure, you know, and I thought, you know, wouldn't mind doing this, and then everyone said, well, why don't you make it for everyone to enjoy? So we've tried to make it possible. Yeah.
Are you going to show us how to build one up, maybe?
Certainly am. I will assemble one right here for you.
All right. Well, I'll go to a different camera for that.
Yep.
And thanks for the interview.
No worries. Thank you.
I really wish you luck with the business.
Before we go into the build, if you like what you're seeing here on Lawn Porn, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow, and click that bell to get notified of when I next drop a video. If you'd like to buy one of these model Scott Bonners, I'll leave a link in the description. It's not an affiliated link, so all the money goes to Dylan's business, Rusty Inspirations. And thanks to Dylan, his business Rusty Inspirations, and his family, you can win one of these mowers. For a chance to win this mower, simply share this video on your favourite social media platform and comment in the comments section that you've shared it. So if you shared it on Facebook, for example, say, I shared it on Facebook. The share will certainly be appreciated by Dylan and his family, as it's a new business and they're just getting as much exposure as they can for their great product. This promotion is only available to Australian residents, and Dylan and his family will choose the winner around about 12th of December, and they'll wrap it all up for you and make sure that it gets to you before Christmas. So remember the deal. Share the video on your social media and then comment, I shared on Facebook or I shared on Instagram. And look, if you can't share it because you don't have Facebook or some other social media, we will accept a quick story in the comments section about why you would like to win this. So without further ado, let's go into a brief overview of the build. A more comprehensive video on the build will be released at a later date.
Bloody hell. Get your lawn on. Your handlebars, your solid deck. This is probably, in my opinion, the hardest part of the whole assembly. You can use a screwdriver, but you've got a drill. Definitely take advantage of it and use a drill. You don't need to be extremely tight, just nice and firm. Close up all the gaps. Now we start with the left-hand side, your main part. This holds your reel and your rail deflector. That gets one of these and one of these. All that gets covered by the side cover. You don't see any of that. Now from there, I guess we want our axles. See if this one's got a nut welded on the end of it. Poke that in there. Just turn that around so you can see. Get your tube here, crush tube. Yep. I like to set this up. Yeah, they don't slide out on you. One washer off. Here's your reel.
Woohoo. Reel goes in there.
Yep. Caps on. Yeah, no, it doesn't take long. Nah. You want to make sure they're on fairly firm.
The rear roller.
Yep, and it's not fouling there, so that's what you
I
want.
love how the rear roller holds the reel.
Yeah,
and
it is.
the front roller holds all your fasteners.
It's good.
That's great.
Feel you might need to give them a tap with something. Gentle tap.
Like a mallet or something.
Yeah, yeah. There. A little bit fiddly. Got to line up all 3 holes here.
Yep.
Yeah, there's a little bit involved, but yeah, good fun. Something fun to do with the kids, get them involved. You know, an older kid could probably likely do it themselves, I guess. Now, I guess from here, 17 mil. Yeah, again, doesn't need to be stupidly tight, just firm. Proud of this part. I think it's come out amazing. Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
Looks cool.
Gorgeous.
So simple, but so effective. This is the clutch. And this is all gonna be detailed. A lot more detailed in the build on the video on how to put it together.
Yep.
So here we go. Whoop. That doesn't move around too much. If you want to put some glue on it at home, feel free to, really not necessary. What have we got? A couple of short ones in there. Screw this motor down for us and
Oh,
get
yeah,
that out of
that's
our
gonna be
way.
handy.
Yeah. I like to use a screwdriver here. You've got an extension on your drill, so always helps, I guess. But probably do with a bit longer screwdriver in reality, but gets the job done.
4 screws in the corner.
That's it.
We get it.
It's not rocket science, is it, Matt?
It's not rocket science. All right.
just-
Oh, the deflector.
The deflector's going on. How long have you been going for, Matt? It's not really that long, is it?
10 minutes so far.
Really?
10 real minutes.
There you go. Real?
Real minutes.
How's that
yeah.
spelt?
10 minutes. R-E-E-L.
Again, these don't need to be stupidly tight. They're a little bit firm going in, but they're good. The side cover here, so leave for your bolts, so your screws here that will get covered. That finishes it off, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Light adjuster,
Light adjusters.
light adjuster, pretty important.
Really have thought this one out, eh?
Final piece. That's it.